Welcome to my channel. If I told you there was a place in the heart of Europe that holds over 50 miles of underground shelves packed with secrets, documents so sensitive they've been hidden for centuries, would you want to take a peek? What if I told you that even world leaders and scholars are denied access unless they pass a strict review? And even then, they can only see a tiny sliver of what lies inside? You're about to enter the shadows beneath the surface of Vatican City, into a place so secretive, even its name sounds like something out of a thriller. This is the Vatican Secret Archives. Now let's clear something up. Secret doesn't mean sinister in Latin. It actually means private. But make no mistake, the contents of this vast archive are private for a reason. These aren't just old scrolls and crumbling manuscripts. We're talking about letters between kings and popes, orders that sparked wars, trials that shaped faiths, and possibly documents that could rewrite history as we know it. Hidden beneath one of the most famous religious centers in the world, the Vatican Secret Archives stretch more than 50 miles underground. Yes, miles, with high-security vaults and temperature-controlled rooms designed to preserve not just history, but power. Only a select few scholars are granted access each year, but even they don't get to wander freely. You must know exactly what document you want. You have to request it by name. If you don't know what's in the archive, you're not allowed to find out, and that's where the mystery begins. What are they hiding? Some say the archives contain evidence of Jesus' bloodline. Others claim they house lost gospels, forbidden knowledge, or documents from ancient extraterrestrial encounters. While these sound like wild theories, the secrecy only fuels speculation. After all, why guard old papers so tightly, unless there's something explosive in them? Among the known contents are letters from Michelangelo, communications from Abraham Lincoln, and the trial records of Galileo, who was convicted of heresy in 1633 for saying the earth revolved around the sun. That alone is incredible. But most of the archive? Completely unseen by the public, unscanned, unpublished, unread. Even the Church admits that less than 10% of the archive has been studied. And with more than 1,000 years of records stored away, imagine what hasn't been discovered. Now here's the eerie part. The archives were completely off limits to everyone until 1881. For nearly 3 centuries, no outsiders were allowed in. Not scholars, not leaders, no one. It wasn't until Pope Leo III opened access to a very select group of academics that we got even a glimpse inside. But even now, it's just that, a glimpse. Security is tight, cameras aren't allowed, notes are screened, and anything sensitive is simply denied. Some say it's to protect faith. Others believe it's about maintaining control. After all, knowledge is power, and whoever holds the keys to the past can shape the future. So what's really down there? Maybe just dusty records and moldy parchment, or maybe a truth too powerful to let out. The Vatican Secret Archives remain one of the world's most restricted places, not because of what's hidden, but because of what might be revealed if the doors ever opened fully. And maybe, just maybe, some secrets are kept. Not to deceive, but to protect. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the unknown. If you enjoyed this look into one of the most forbidden places in the world, be sure to subscribe to the channel. There are countless mysteries out there, and we've only just begun to explore them.